Hello YouTubers, as you can see here I have the Osram Night Breaker Laser edition. It's a dual box and I'm replacing my headlights. These are the H7s. This is my old one. You can see they haven't got the blue tints like the Osrams. Nice and simple to install if you know how to. But if you don't know, they didn't cost a lot to have them replaced by your service engineer or your local garage. I'm just going to show you the difference between the brightnesses of my original Mitsubishi Colt headlights and the Osram. Currently I have installed it on the driver's side. In the UK it's a right hand drive, so I'm just going to switch my ignition on and put on my headlights to show you the difference, so you can see what the differences are. It's currently 2 PM at the moment, so it's still bright outside. We get dark around about 5 o'clock in the UK at this moment, so I can't clearly show you exactly what sort of differences they are, but you may be able to pick it up on the camera, on the video. This is the originals, just the original headlights, slightly yellow tint, and this is the Osram Night Breaker Laser edition. I think they are brighter, slightly less yellow, but during the night it'll be much more clearer. You may leave your comments in the comment section so you can tell me your thoughts. These are road legal headlights, so happy installation, guys. This is my Mitsubishi Colt 1.3 CZ2. I'm about to switch on the ignition to see how bright my lights are. I'm hoping it's going to surprise me. It's the first time I'm putting it on in the dark. Oh yeah, blimey, wow. That's absolutely incredible. That is powerful. It's bright. Oh my god, it's like I've got Xenons on. That's very nice. Slight blue tint to it, but it hasn't refrained any of the lights from coming through the bulb, as some might do, because there are some lights out there, the halogen bulbs with the xenon filaments in them. They refrain the light and you get a slightly darker blue but less brightness and less light. So I think the lumens on this is absolutely incredible.